Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to publish a music on Bandlab. Publishing your music on Bandlab is simple, but doing it properly helps your track sound professional and reach more listeners, and here's a clear and descriptive guide. So before you publish a music on, make sure you have finalized your track first before publishing. Your song is fully ready, adjust the volume levels of all the tracks if you already have not so. In order to do that, you can go to the any web browser that you prefer, and at the top you can find this address bar. Type down bandlab.com and enter it, and make sure you have logged into your account. So over here you can simply create a new one, or you can also proceed to do it on your previous draft. As I'm going to select with this new project of your drafts as well. And over here you can go to the studio, make sure you have adjusted the volume levels of all the tracks, you have added effects, EQ, reverb, compression, and listen with the headphone and the speaker. In order to preview it over here, you can play it, and you can also use the Bandlab's built-in mastering feature to improve overall sound quality. After you're done, in order to publish your music, you can select to this publish over here in the top right corner, click onto this icon, and over here you can also put the description of your music track. Then after you're done, you can select to this publish over here on the bottom, and that is it. The music has just been published. Your track is now live on the Bandlab. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share, and if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.